Everybody, welcome to World of Fun Facts. I'm Zainab, and today, guys, I am going for an air show in Bahrain. This is gonna be my first air show, so I'm really excited. So let's get started. You might ask, what is air show? Guys, air show is a show that happens with airplanes. Airplanes go high in the sky and release some different color smoke and try to form something. So yeah, this is gonna be a real blast. So stay tuned. Guys, this is the Bahrain International Circuit. This place was where the Formula racing, which was popular for the century, it occurred here. So this is pretty cool. Look at that! It's an airplane. It's an F-16 and it's so noisy. Really good friend of mine, she will be our guest here. So we will be welcoming her. She's not here, but she will be here soon. And then she will help us complete this video. So yeah. Right now we're gonna give our tickets to see the air show, and it's a long line. Gotta admit that. Super extremely long line. We're at security, and now we're gonna go to the bus, and the bus will take us to inside the station where we will see the real air show. Here's the buses, and they're waiting for us, and you get food on the bus. Yummy. So guys, like I said before, I'll introduce you to my friend Rania. She came here, she's here now, and now we will finally meet her, like in person, so yeah. Hey, got the bus? This is my friend Rania, and she's a little shy, so don't worry, okay? This is the place where they have put attraction for the children, so when they come and see the airplanes, they also see these amazing carnival rides. Guys, the plane is above us! What's this? Guys, this is the plane of DHL. Oh, poor guy! Oh my god, guys, look at that. It's awesome. Guys, this is amazing.
For information about the Red Arrows Mail Force on the internet, just search for the Royal Air Force Red Arrows.
Woo! the air show because it was over and now it's like 7:30 or something. Massive queue. Massive, just for the bus. Just to return home. Guys, this was the end of my epic tour for the air show. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my channel. Bye. And guys, one more thing. That's where the Formula racing of the century happens. So be sure to watch it. Bye.